Yeah, guys, it's T.Hudson.T.A.O here with another video. Today, you guys, I want to be talking about or discussing why are you attracted to crystals, okay? Let me tell you, the true reason why you are connected to crystals is because it stems from your past life in the Golden Atlantis, okay? As you guys get these crystals and you are attracted to these crystals, it wakens back up your ancient wisdom, okay? Which opens you up to your spiritual gifts, which connects you back to your higher self. That's why these crystals are not talked about too much while you are in school. You have to really go out and see where to truly find. Yes, and truly find somebody that knows about crystals or a metaphysics shop or a crystal shop, or you might go into the jewelry store and find a diamond that you just really loving at the moment. You know what I'm saying? And you don't know why you are attracted to this diamond, but this diamond makes you remember your mother or your grandmother that passed away, you know, connecting you back to your ancient wisdom and your ancient roots and your spiritual gifts and so forth. So they ask you, why do you need these crystals? Crystals are for all kind of evil things they have put upon crystals. When crystals come out of the earth, they are a part of you. You are the earth. You are, all those crystals are within your body. But eventually, through time, it get weakens. And you need to recharge yourself so you can connect back. But all the toxins and things that we have around us is stopping us from being able to connect back to our ancient roots, the creator, and our higher self. So I just want to let you know the reason why you're truly attracted to those crystals. Okay? Not just that you're attracted to it. Don't you know crystals brings balancing. So as you're using these crystals, you're able to balance yourself out. And we don't have to walk around with scattered energy or looking for man-made medications to help us heal. We can go back to the minerals that were made for us. Peace, love, and harmony to all of you guys. I hope y'all having an awesome day. My day is going great. Come check out my Facebook page. Come join my group. You know how we do it. Come for a reading, whatever. Just hit me up. I'm out to help anyone that's in need of help or healing energy. I'm here to raise the vibration of the planet, baby. Peace, love, and harmony. Goodbye.